Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and look what I've got here. Ooh, yes, buttery bacon fried cabbage. Yeah, I think Mike Herrin's gonna like this because he loves his cabbage dishes. This is absolutely fantastic and very easy to make. Cook it up in a few minutes. Bunch of bacon bits in there. Butter, cabbage, onion. Yeah, not much in the way of ingredients really needed and very easy to make. And let's have a bite. Oh yeah. Well, that's buttery. That's good. Let's go in the kitchen and make it right now. All right, here we've got our ingredients. Pretty simple, pretty easy. What we got over here is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 3 cloves of garlic thinly sliced, 1 onion chopped. Over here, 5 ounces or 140 grams of bacon block, which I've cut up into about 1/4-inch pieces. Now, you know, whatever size you get, if you get a little bit bigger piece of bacon block or smaller, it's not that critical. And this is a half a head of cabbage, and I've chopped that up to about, basically around about 3/4-inch pieces. Some are bigger, some are smaller. That's okay. Gonna be fantastic just like that. What I've got is my big cast iron pot over here. Gonna bring that up on medium heat. Get that olive oil going in there. All right, let's see if that's on medium. It might be a little high there. Let's bring that down just a bit. What I'm gonna do now is put in the bacon, grab my spatula here. All right. So about 8 to 10 minutes, I want to brown up that bacon. Just kind of get it started browning, and then we'll be back, add some more ingredients in. Well, the onions are going to go in. All right, see you shortly. All right, that bacon's browning up nicely. So now I'll put the onions in there. And there was a few pieces of onion going for a little fly. All right, that's one side. Now, the onion, about 5-6 minutes, probably closer to 5 minutes. Just want to soften it up a little bit before we add in the cabbage. All right, see you right back. All right, 5 minutes, those onions are softened, that's ready to go. Gonna get the butter in there. Just move that around first and melt it. Just quick, this is good and hot, so it's gonna melt fast. Especially you skate it around a little bit like this. Speeds it up. There we go. All right, that's it. Butter's melted. In goes the cabbage. It's a lot of cabbage, that's going to cook down a bit. The salt, the pepper, the garlic, and now what I want to do is carefully mix that down in. All right, now as that starts cooking, one thing, the cabbage is going to give out some water. It's going to make it liquid a bit. It's going to cook down a bit. It's going to get easier to mix. So just for about 8 to 10 minutes now, we're going to cook it like this. Keep turning it every once in a while. Maybe a little more frequently than usual. So you get everything, look at that, starting to get the bacon up through there and all. We'll get that all mixed together. Okay, see you back here in about 8-10 minutes. That's been going about 8 minutes, and well, that's looking good. Look at that. And notice that's cooked down. It's about half the volume of cabbage that we had. This is absolutely perfect. The onions and the bacon mixed throughout. It's all buttery and delicious. Oh, that is going to be a nice little side dish tonight. Actually, it could be a main dish, couldn't it? All right, if you like this, well, do stick around. Check out the other original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. Give this a like, share this with your friends, and make cooking fun again. with Kuma's Kitchen.